Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in our today's video, we will be learning how to make a funnel chart in Canva mobile app using the sheet feature. So for this, first open your Canva app, then click on the sheet feature, then select blank design. After clicking on the blank design, a blank workbook will appear on your mobile screen like this. So first you have to click on the actions button, which is there in the bottom left hand corner of your app. Just click on it. Now after clicking on actions button, select magic charts under sheet actions, then click on chart library. Now scroll down a bit, then under other charts option you can see funnel chart is displayed. Just click on it. After clicking on the funnel option, a funnel chart is displayed in your blank workbook like this. Okay, so now we will discuss one by one the data tab and the customize tab. Okay, so first comes the data tab. Under the data tab, first of all, there is a table whose data is displayed as a funnel chart above in the workbook. So we will discuss the data now. The first column you can see is the step column, and the second column is the percent completed column. Basically this is a data of a e-commerce website. This is an example data just to make you understand how to make a funnel chart. It is by default given in Canva, this data. So first column is the step column. Under the step column you can see various steps are there. Visited site means e-commerce site visiting steps. First site is visited, then item is viewed, then item is added to the cart, then the cart is viewed, then payment is completed, and then after all order is finally completed. So these are the various steps a person completes when he visits any e-commerce website. Okay, so now how much percent of that step is completed for a particular number of persons, for example 100 persons. Okay, so now we will see the percent completed. Visited site 100% means 100%, 100 people visited that site, out of which 85 people viewed that particular item. 47 out of 85 now added that item to the cart, and 25 out of 47 people viewed that item in the cart, and 15 out of 25 people made the payment to buy that item from the cart, and finally order is completed for 8 people out of 15. So out of 100 people, 8 people have completely their order, okay, and bought that particular item. So this data is displayed as a funnel chart above. Now scroll down a bit. After scrolling down, you can see import data option. If you have prepared your data in any other Google Sheet software or Microsoft Excel software, you can just import that data directly into the Canva app here. Okay. Next is the transpose option. The two small arrows, the vertical and the horizontal arrows you are seeing to the right of the import data option. This basically does is it will convert your row data into columns and columns data into rows and nothing else. Okay, it is not much of importance. Next is the delete option, the small dustbin you can see to the right of the transpose option. If you click on it, your entire data will get deleted and the table will be erased. Then you can manually feed your own data into this table. Next comes the chart setup. First comes the labels, what to show. Okay, so labels means the y-axis. So as you can see in this funnel chart, our y-axis shows the various steps. So if you click on the drop down menu, you can see two options are there. You can choose the step or the percent completed. I will choose step. By default step is chosen. Next comes the segments, what values to show. Means the various colored segments, what values I want to show is the percent completed. Based on the percent completed, my funnel will get different sizes. See, the blue color is 100%, so the top part of the funnel. The purple is the 85%, so it is the second portion, the smaller portion beneath the blue portion. Likewise, the red portion is the 8% order completed, so this is the smallest portion and this is the bottom part of the funnel. Okay, next comes the aggregate data. Just click on the drop down menu, you can see various options are available. You can do sum of the data, you can do average of the data, you can count the number of data, you can do maximum, minimum and median calculations, means basic statistical calculations you can perform. Okay, so this is all about the data tab. Now I will discuss the customize tab. Under the customize tab, first comes the text options. So under the text options, one option is there, format values as. If you want to show your value as percentages in the graph, click on percentages. And if you want to show your data as numbers, just click on numbers. The percentage symbol will be erased. Next comes the title. You can add a title to your chart. I will just add a title, e-commerce website data. You can add a subtitle, funnel chart. You can now add a source text, or you can link any external document or website link. Here also you can link any external website or document text you can add here. For example, if you have prepared your data and the data is taken from any external website or any other documental source, you can just add the name of the document here, or you can link that website here, so that anybody views this data, he or she can go to the source data, so can see the source data from where this is taken. Okay, next comes the y-axis. The y-axis contains labels. By default it is kept on. If you turn it off, your y-axis labels are gone. Labels are just the names. Okay, if you don't keep it on, then there will be no labels and nobody will understand what does this steps mean, what does this percentages mean. Okay, y-axis title you can add. I will add it steps. I'll give you the name steps. See, steps, y-axis has got a title steps. Next comes the settings. Under the settings, you can see grid lines and filters. So grid lines are basically the horizontal lines of each step. By default, it is kept on. If it is turned off, see, the horizontal lines are gone. It does not seems clean. If you turn it on, it seems clean and professional. Okay. Now I will discuss the filters option. Just click on add first. See, now I will discuss what is filters. In this funnel chart, by default, every data is displayed. Each of the steps are displayed. Now, if you want to show only one step or two step, three step, okay, at a time, you can do this by using the filters option. First of all, you have to select your data on the basis of which you want to filter it. I want, just click on the drop down menu and select steps. For percentage complete also you can select. I will select steps. So based on the steps, my data will get filtered. Style, you can choose buttons or range slider. I will choose buttons because buttons looks clean. Interactive color, you can click on this and choose any of the different colors available. I will choose red. Now under settings, just remember to keep it on, allow multiple selections. Otherwise you cannot view multiple data at one time. Okay. And if you click on remove filter, your filter will get removed. Now I will explain what. See, what filters does is, if I want to now only see the data of the visited site, just click on visited site. See, visited site 100%. Now with the visited site, I want to see item added to the cart. Just click on it. See, visited site and item added to cart is displayed. Now I want to see viewed cart. Just click on it. See, viewed cart is also displayed now. Now if I want to not display item added to cart, just click on it again. See, item added to cart is gone, is erased. Okay, so this is the filters option. If you want to remove this filter, just click on edit. So then go to the buttons, then select remove filter. Filter is removed. See, entire data is displayed now. Next comes the color options, the formatting options basically. First is the white color, which is the color of the background of the chart. If you click on it and if you scroll to the right, you can see various color options are available. Gradient color options are also available. To the extreme left, you can also see one slider option is there, plus option. Just click on it. By clicking on this, you can get many colors now. Just you can select any of the colors. If you move the slider to the right, see various colors are there. Then using this white dot also, you can select many colors or choose a color from here. Okay, see now it is pink color. By like this, you can use or select various colors for various steps. Okay, for example, the blue color is the visited site color step, the purple is the viewed item, the orange is the added item to cart, the yellow is the viewed cart, the red is the order completed. Just click on it and you can change colors. Next comes the spacing. Just click on it. Spacing basically does is it increases or decreases the area of the chart. See padding. If I move the slider to the right, my size increases or area occupied by the chart increases. So you can add more text inside the chart. If you move the slider to the left, the spacing or area decreases. Okay. Next comes the font, text styles, font size, color, format, transparency, layers. These are the basically the text formatting options. I have discussed all these in detail in my first Canva tutorial video. Just go and check out those videos. Transparency and layers are not of very much importance in Canva sheet features. The position is also not important. Nudge. Next comes the nudge. So if you click on this, the nudge allows you to controllably move your chart in the workbook to the left, right, top and bottom. You can use these buttons. Okay, next comes the mode option, the three dots. Just click on it. Mode options allows you to copy and paste your chart elsewhere, copy the style of the chart, make a exact duplicate chart like this, or delete your entire chart. You can add a comment, you can lock the entire data or in the chart at once, or lock only the position and appearance of the chart and edit only the data in the table. You can also do that. You can link any external source text like I have discussed earlier. You can translate the text which you have entered in the chart to any other languages available. So this is basically the funnel chart, how to make a funnel chart in Canva sheet feature. Now I will show you how to download your entire workbook. For this, you can see a small up arrow to the top right corner of your app beside the tick mark option. Just click on it, then click on download. Now there are many file types. Just click on the drop down menu. First is the JPG, second is the PNG. If you select any of those two, your workbook will get downloaded as a picture format. You cannot edit your data anywhere else. Okay. Next comes the PDF standard or PDF print. PDF print basically does is it's get that's downloaded in PDF print format. You can get the best quality print, and PDF standard is best for documents and emailing. Okay, you can also not edit if you download your data or workbook in PDF standard or PDF print format. Okay, next comes the SVG. It is also a picture format. You cannot edit your data once you have downloaded in SVG format. The last and the second last is the CSV and the XLSX format. As we all know, these are the two formats which are of Microsoft Excel spreadsheet format. If you download by using any of these two file options, you can edit or open your data in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet softwares and edit it afterwards also. So I will select for now CSV, then click on download. Then you have to wait for some moments based on your internet speed. Download complete. A green tick mark will be displayed. And now if I click on open, my data will get opened, my workbook will get opened if I have downloaded it in CSV or XLSX format. In Microsoft Excel or Canva, if I have installed Canva, it will get opened in Canva. So make sure, if you download in CSV or XLSX format, to make sure you have installed Microsoft Excel software or any other spreadsheet software in your mobile beforehand. So this is all about the funnel chart video. I hope you all have learned something valuable from this video. In my next video, I will come up with other types of chart. Till then, take care and goodbye. This is all from Paul's Tech Room this Sunday. Goodbye.